Hey guys, I'm Trisha and this is Ganja. Today we'll be singing Please Be Careful of My Heart. And the part that I know when I know when I know it. He don't know, so I'm going to be singing it, okay? So here we go. If you love me like you tell me, please be careful with my heart. You can take it, just to break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance that your life is true. I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart. I love you and I know I do. There'll be no one else for me. I promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love has heard some lies softly spoken. We have two hearts badly broken. You've been buried and I've been hurt before. I know just how you feel. Trust my love is real for you. I'll be gentle with your heart. I'll caress it like the morning dew. I'll be right beside you forever. Oh, I won't let the world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with my heart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance that your life is true. I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start. 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 Please be careful with my heart. Really, come on dito. Well, actually, thanks for watching, and we're sorry about that you can't see the you can't hear the lyrics. I mean the song because as you can see, I'm just using the headset. So yep, thanks for watching.